Alright, so how we doing? What's going on, Dice Gang? Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend or day or whatever. Today we're gonna be doing a stock plugin challenge. So obviously, name says it itself. We're going to be using stock plugins from FL Studio. So I can't use Omnisphere, can't use Nexus, can't use Electra, anything like that. I'll have to use only what I find on FL Studio that's been there when I first installed it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, okay? I don't want you missing the videos. You gotta remember, I'm posting 3 times a week, alright? And I'm gonna stick to that. I'm not BSing anymore.
Really, nigga?
Let me just get out this computer, because I'm already pissed off that I can't use Omnisphere, and this beat's probably gonna sound very similar to what, you know what, let me not. Let's try something different. Let's see, what VSTs. I like that. We're gonna try something with this sound. Alright, FL keys, where the flippin' hell are you? Jesus. Alright, now let's change. Alright, so we got this mess of a melody. Cool, that's our finito. Alright, so this pad is cool. I really like this pad. I'm gonna start laying out some drums so I can get a feel for what I really want. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Alright, what? Alright, alright, that was weird. I'm not sure what sample that was. Let's look for some snares. Okay, I like this VST so far. What's it called again? Harmless, I think. All right, let's just layer that. All right, we're just gonna layer this sound now. Then we're gonna move on to the 808s later. All right, don't worry, we're gonna get to that later. Gross beat to the rescue. right, this time does not go with it. But we're gonna find something. We're going to find something. All right, so you know what? I got a melody. I'm not changing it. It sounds fire. But I don't like the hi-hats. I'm changing it. I'm sorry. I don't like these hi-hats. I'm changing them. All right, so we got a cool little sum, you know what I'm saying? It's coming along pretty nicely so far. I like Harmless, is that what it's called? Harmless? I think that's what this thing is called. Harmless. It's all right, it's got some pretty cool things. I should probably explore this more, but. So yeah, that's what I got so far. I might change the snares up a little bit. I don't know. After hearing it the second time, I'm like, that's all right. But I don't know. Maybe it's the first snare or this, like, I don't know if that one's it, but whatever. All right, let's just do these hi-hats. Not the hi-hats, the 808. So we're using the spins. Sorry. I'm not sorry. I don't care. I'm sorry. We're using the spins. I can't be asked. Alright, y'all know how I get when the beat's fire, and yeah. Well, I use the spins 808 again. I know you're probably pissed off. I don't really care. It sounds lit. Like, it might sound like my other beats. I don't really care. So I want to show you, I'll show you, I'll give y'all a little hint, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, you know? I mean, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna add the kicks. I wanna add another melody, but I mean, yeah, we're doing pretty dope so far. So yeah, let's do this. All right, kicks. All right, so like, I think the beat's done, honestly. I think the beat's pretty much done. I was just EQing it, mixing it a little bit, and yeah, it's pretty damn good. So I guess I'm just gonna arrange it. All right, y'all. So the beats are done. I arranged it, did all what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's my stock plugin challenge done. I thought it turned out nice. Harmless is a dope VST. From what I've used so far, it sounds pretty nice. So I would recommend trying that out. because most of you probably have it and never thought of using it, so definitely try it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell me about what I could do better in my videos in the future in the comment section below. I know I use Grossbeat and Omnisphere. Wait, not Omnisphere. I know I use Grossbeat and some very similar drums, but guys, honestly, I don't really care. Like, the beat sounded fire. Like, I don't know what else. Yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and peace.